Over the past 18 months, we've undertaken extensive survey and modelling work so that we really understand all of the information about Cannop Ponds. That work has included undertaking detailed ecological surveys, looking at local bat populations and other important species, as well as a very detailed ground investigation looking at the materials which have been used to construct these 200-year-old reservoirs. So unsurprisingly, Cannop Ponds is a treasured local landmark, and we've been talking to the public through our public consultations that we held in April last year, and also throughout the process sharing all of the various information we've gathered with the public as the project has moved along. Having reviewed all of those options, we've now come to a conclusion about the design for this site in the future. Cannop Ponds will continue to be a special haven for wildlife, and we want to give wildlife a space to thrive, and at the same time make Cannop Ponds a place that's resilient for the future, for wildlife, and also for communities to continue to enjoy. Lower Cannop will remain a large body of water in the Forest of Dean, and fishing will continue here, as it has done for many years in the past. We will also be looking at lowering the level of Lower Cannop to increase the amount of floodwater that can be stored here, and in doing so protect vulnerable downstream communities from the risk of future flooding. A more natural approach will be taken at Upper Cannop to minimise the extent of the engineering works that might otherwise be required. The next step for this important site will be to develop the detailed designs further. Once that's complete, we will hold a further round of public consultation where we want to get your views about shaping some of the final elements of this scheme. Based on that feedback, we'll then submit a planning application later this year. We aim to make this site somewhere for everybody.